Hey Pink Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So I know I've been away for a good while, but you know what, I am back and hopefully I will be uploading almost every weekend, hopefully. You know, but I'm back. Today I'll be just playing around with makeup. We're gonna be working with neon pigments. I haven't worked with neon pigments in a great while. So yeah, as y'all can see, my background is different because if y'all haven't seen on my social media or been following up with me, I did move around my stuff. I don't live in my old apartment, so yeah, just an FYI, that's the whole reason I have not uploaded, so sorry. Anyways, yes, that's why I'm doing a voiceover right now, because I couldn't be talking during the video, but I'll try to be as detailed as possible. As always, not setting my concealer. I've been using the e.l.f. concealer in light sand or light beige. I've really forgot. I don't have it on hand, but that's what I used. Been using this one for a while and I really enjoy it more than the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. So this is my new holy grail and it's way cheaper and easy to get instead of driving all the way to Ulta. Yeah, pretty much that's what we're gonna be doing today, working with pigments. The pigments are from GLF Cosmetics. I think it's a Latina owned. I know they're really famous for their Azteca Princess palettes. That's the only way that I found them. You can check them up on Instagram at GLF Cosmetics. I did tag them in my stories on Instagram if you want to go ahead and check them out. They do run sales often on these pigments and they're super, even though they're super affordable and not sponsored, by the way. But yeah, I do love their pigments. It's just pretty hard to find good pigments. Anyways, I do go back and forth with my eyeshadows, as y'all see. I really wanted to put as much blending as possible since I'm not talking through it. I'm not telling you how to do it mostly, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. But I just try to put as many clips as possible. As y'all can see that I do take my time while blending. Don't think that I just pack on colors and start blending out. No, I do build up my colors little by little and blending and between colors, adding the darkest, adding the lightest, trying to make sure everything's blended. It's just your point of option. It's not following me every step I take. It's just however y'all like it. But going back to it, I am using, as always, my Morphe brushes, and I do show y'all my Morphe brushes, the ones that I've been using. Going back with the concealer, as y'all know, my left eye is always pretty hard to do my cut crease, so yeah, I always have a hard time with that. Besides that, my right eye was already done, which is pretty much easy on that side. But yeah. Okay, so going back with the pigments, I'm going to be using, I don't know if it's salmon or salmon, either one. I mean, it's pronounced the same thing, right? I'm using a Morphe 213 brush. This is a little packing little brush. I really enjoy it for using it for pigments. Pigments, you want to try to use as a light hand as possible, but not that much product, because if not, it's gonna start cracking and creasing on you, and you want to make sure there's not a lot of concealer because they'll cause it for it to cake and fade and stuff. So I'll be taking salmon, violeta, and I think it's morado if I'm not mistaken, but it's just, you know, my neon orange salmon color, the pink one, like a pinkish purple one, and a another purple, like another deeper purple per se. I don't know how to explain my colors, but that's what I'm doing. I am using the brush to blend them in between, and I'm also going to use the Morphe M506 to blend them all together at the end. Now going to liner, I wasn't gonna do a wing liner, but at the end I just popped on a wing liner using the Essence matte eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner, besides my Malibu Glitz eyeliner, because I just love matte eyeliners. How many times am I gonna say eyeliners? I do not know. The lashes are from AliExpress. I'm sorry I don't know the number because I just took them out of the box and threw the box away. But I'm also going to be using the ColourPop eyeliner. This is their neon orange pencil liner that came in a box. I think it's 5 of them in a little pink box. Don't know the name, but it's just their neon orange eyeliner because I think they're only carrying one, I think. Besides that, yes, I'm gonna just go back. I'm just going back to my pink shadow, my purple shadow. I feel like I should have placed a little bit of a darker shadow and blended out more. I don't know, in camera it looks like I didn't pack on much eyeshadow, but in person, trust me, it does. But yeah guys, that's pretty much. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know I've been gone for a good while, but yes, and I stepped my I'm sorry, I forgot about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one.
And bottles of bubbles, girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings.